Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Photoshop tutorials how to create vertical text. I will create new file, use this default template settings, click create. Now if you want to create vertical text, you can select on the text tools, hold, and then you can choose vertical type tool. So I will click at this point. Now you can set the names like Vasu Cat. Click these icons and I will recess by clicking at these points into here. So very easy to create vertical text with these tools. If you want to edit this text, you can click at these icons and you can set like into underline. But first we need to select the text object for underline, or you can set into bold and the other option in here. Okay, that's it for basic Photoshop tutorials how to create vertical text. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.